Nice.
Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make an immunity booster shot. Our first ingredients for the day will be blueberries. Blueberries shots or juice are not very popular. However, blueberries cannot be underestimated with its loaded benefits. Blueberries are excellent source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Blueberries are good for the heart, great for the brain, great for your skin and digestive health. They are also loaded with other nutrients that your body will thank you for. Our second ingredient for this wellness shot is black grapes. I have chosen this black grapes because the darker the grape, the more antioxidants it contains. Remember, this is a shot and I want the best, like the punch. So I've chosen this. Not only for the color, also for the sweetness it will be adding to this shot. Grapes are a great source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for our heart, for heart health and maintaining optimal blood pressure. It is great for our digestive health and our gut health. Grapes have laxative properties, which makes it super for constipation prevention. It is a good body detoxifier and an immunity booster. Ginger is a superfood in its own right. A super immunity booster, perfect for managing colds, coughs, flus, and sore throats. A good solution for motion sickness or nausea and vomit. A good relief for stomach discomfort, helps with absorption of nutrients, helps with reducing pains and inflammation, and so on and so forth. I told you it's a superfood. Fresh mint leaf is our next item on the agenda, and it is great for digestive health, including relief of bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea, vomiting, and nausea. Great for cough, cold, and flu relief. Your skin will thank you for mint leaf. A great immunity booster, perfect for oral health, and so on and so forth. And to crown it all, we have fresh lemon. Fresh lemon is a burst of vitamin C that makes it perfect for boosting our immune system. Great home remedy for cold, flu, cough, and all those respiratory stuff. With this vitamin C, it is perfect for digestive health, including helping with motion sickness, vomiting, and nausea. It also, because of its vitamin C, is great for our skin. Your skin will thank you. And of course, weight loss management, not to talk of the sour taste. Now, I can't stop with lemon. I love lemon. All prepped and ready for juicing. Remember, hand hygiene, a clean environment, and clean water is paramount for a healthy juice. Now, enough of the lectures. Come on, let's juice. I'm still loving my Fridja f2500. Have you watched the unboxing? It's 2 videos before this. I'll leave a link of it in the description box and at the end screen so you can click to watch. It is hands-free, so I just load and watch it do its thing while I record. Nice. We are good to go. I present to you Super Immunity Booster Wellness Shot at home. There's dignity in labor, you know, that I prepared something so yummy looking. It tastes great and it does the body great too. And in the manner of Luchinyere, I will say, have you liked this video? Have you? Have you? If you like what you see, I tell you, it tastes great. Don't forget to like this video. Let me hear what you think, or let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave a comment for me. Subscribe if you have not done so. Share, share, share. Until I see you next time, don't forget, make food your medicine. Remember to click on the popping videos so you can watch more recipes from Juicing Julie. Bye.